When people hear about catfish farming, the first thing and the only thing that comes to their mind majority of the time is raising from juvenile to table size within 5 months. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. If you are new here, I help you discover, learn and improve your processes when it comes to business, money, productivity, time management and personal development. If you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, turn on notification so that you know when I release a new video. There are different ways you can make money from catfish business aside the regular way that people know, which is raising from juvenile to table size. Today I'll be telling you 4 different ways you can make money from catfish business. If you're ready, let's dive. The number 1 way you can make money from catfish farming is the hatchery process. This is the process of actually extracting the eggs from the female catfish and hatching them within the space of 24-26 hours. You raise them for like 2 to 3 weeks and sell them off. Most people run away from this aspect because it is very risky, and if you're not an expert in hatchery, you can actually lose money. Many people have tried this method of making money from catfish farming and abandoned it for other aspects. If you want to learn about how to hatch a catfish, I've done a video on that. I'll drop that up here and also in the description box. The second way of making money from catfish business is the most popular one that people actually go into, which is raising from fingerlings or juvenile to table size. This is very less risky except from rare occasions where maybe, for example, you are raising them in an earthly pond and there is flood and it washes the fishes away. So you buy your fingerlings or juvenile and raise them for a period of 3 or 5 months depending on the size you want to attain. But within 3 months, you are ready to dispose your fish and make money from this. This is the most common way people make money from catfish business. The third way you can make money from catfish business is processing and packaging your catfish. This is an untapped aspect of making money from catfish business that people don't pay attention to. This is very useful if you are an employee and you want to make money from catfish business and you don't have the bandwidth of other aspects of catfish business. You can actually start processing your catfish, package them and sell it at the supermarket or even in your office. It is very easy to process your catfish. If you don't want to do it yourself, you can contract it out to people that specializes in processing catfish. Then you package it, label it and sell it off. You can also export it out of the country. I did a video on how I package my catfish. You can check it here and also in the description below. Fourth way you can make money from catfish business is raising broodstock for sale. Broodstock are adult male and female catfish that people use to hatch new eggs. There are people that specializes in raising broodstock for sale. Within 8 months to 1 year, you should be able to raise your broodstock to a point where they will be good for hatching. So you don't have to spend much money feeding them and also raising them. Feeding them once in a day is enough for broodstock if you want to actually manage your resources. So you can buy them when they are 1 kg, raise them. When people that wants to hatch need broodstock to hatch, they can actually come to you to buy. A kilo of broodstock goes for as low as 3,500 naira. So you can actually go into raising broodstock for sales to people that want to hatch. I would like to know which of these ways I've mentioned would you like to learn more. Drop that in the comment section. You can watch the playlist on catfish business here. If you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button, turn on notification so that you know when I release a new video. Catch you in my next video.